Hi, this is Duke. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you some common architectural modeling tips in 3ds Max. And let's start with the dimension. In 3ds Max, dimension can be easily modified in the modifier panel. And let's just do a quick dimension change as what we want. And here comes the important tips that I found very helpful is how to make snap work. As you know, in Rhino, we have the gumball changes and move command, but in 3ds Max, it doesn't have a move command can move the point precisely as where we want. So what we can do in 3D Max here is right-click the snap button. The quicker way is press S on keyboard, and then you can see in this pop-up window there are many options like bounding box, like vertex. These are the property you want to snap with. So in many cases, you only want to check one or a few of them to achieve the optimal result. And after setting up the snap options, we can do a quick clone to test how the snap works. And you can see there's a indication of the vertex point showed up. Let's just drag it by the left mouse, and it can just easily snap to the other vertices on another object. So does the second one. Let's snap the point here very precisely. Okay, and our next tip is about local and world gizmo movement. As you all know, in Rhino, we can do easily precise movement change, like moving in z-axis by 100 mil or by x-axis by negative 100 mil. In 3D Max, it works differently by here, clicking on the absolute mode. Then the change are absolute, or in other words, in local, rather than a world coordinates referencing. And this is how we can achieve a very precise architectural move. And my last tip about 3ds Max architectural modeling is group command. This might sound like a very basic and easy command or function in 3ds Max, but it could be very hard for the beginners to know. When you group something together, the group object will be sort of considered as one whole object, and it can only be moved together. And it's not like a Rhino, you can press Ctrl and Shift to pick the individual element. In 3ds Max, you have to go to the group menu and open the group. And then you can see a pink bounding box appeared. This means you can now on change the individual elements. And after we've done everything, and we don't want to control the individual element anymore, we can go back to the group property here and press the close. So it can be like one entire object back. And let's copy one element, one group object, and we have this module thing can change the column in different places for different group, like this, and change lateral to here very simply. Thank you for watching.